Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. And in today's video, I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing and super scary shark dimension. That's right, guys. I'm going to be heading to the absolutely amazing and super scary shark dimension. And I just hope when I make it inside this dimension, he doesn't grab on to my sesame seed buns, because it would be all over for me if he grabs onto these sesame seed buns. And if I'm being honest with you guys, I really want to keep all my sesame seed on my buns. I mean, I don't want to lose them. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 20 blue wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have done that, then you're going to need fur light blue wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your blue wool. Just like that. Right there, guys. After you have successfully done that, now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on up, grab your blue wool, and place 5 of these on this side, with 1 light blue wool right on top. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down, son of my sesame seed buns. I think some of the sesame seeds have came off now, guys. Look at it. Just look at those buns. They will never be the same. But I think the shark is still take a bite out of them buns. But now you just want to go ahead. You want to place 5 blue wool on this side. And then 5 blue wool smack dab right in the middle. And then 1 light blue wool on the edge. And then take a look at your chicken. He's like, what the heck is this guy up to? He has no idea. But now you just want to go ahead, run, and jump on down. And take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look amazing? That looks so amazing. That should definitely make you guys want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to head into the shark dimension. So let's go ahead and do it, guys. Oh my God, guys, we finally made it, and holy macaroni, what is this? I gotta see what's inside it, and oh my goodness, guys, there is a ton of potions, night vision, and water breathing. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take a couple of these because I definitely know I'm going to need them. I definitely know I'm going to need them. But they must be crazy if they think that I'm going to hop in the water with sharks. Oh my God, right there was one, guys. Whoa, this water is shark infested. Whoa, it really is shark infested. But you know what, guys? They might be nice sharks. They might not be angry, mean sharks. They might actually be nice sharks. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put my pig in the water. If they eat him, then I know they're mean sharks. If they do not eat him, then they are really, really nice sharks. Come on. Come on, sharks. Come on, get this pig. He's fresh. He's clean. He's beautiful. I guess they don't want him. I guess they don't want him. Do you think it's safe for me to make the dive now? I think that's a yes. I think that's a yes. And holy macaroni! I did not know there was a house underwater. What? Are you kidding me? Whoa, I cannot believe that. But I think it's going to be hard to get into that house because it looks like it's being protected by all those sharks. And this shark's just like freaking out. Look at him. He's just like going in circles. Oh my God. I've never seen a shark do that in my life. What is he down there doing? He must be trying to chase his fin. That's obviously what's happening, guys. But you know what? I'm just going to go for it, guys. I'm going to eat an enchanted golden apple. And I'm going to take the plunge. Oh my God. I hope they don't try to eat me. I don't think they like me though. You wouldn't like me. If you eat me, you would not like me. You would definitely not like me, shark. And oh snap, he's coming at me. Oh snap, he's coming at me. He is coming at me. Is he still behind me? Is he still behind me? He's still behind me. Oh snap, it's a shark attack. It's a shark attack. There's two of them on me now. How do I get inside this house? Oh, I think this is the entrance. I think this is the entrance. Oh my God. Whoa, I'm shutting that back. Look at him. So vicious. So vicious, guys. Whoa. Whoa, guys. I nearly lost my sesame seed buns out there. It would have been so bad for me if I would have lost my sesame seed buns. I don't know how I could have went through life with no buns. And whoa, look at him. Look at him. You are the most stupidest shark I've ever met. Oh, snap. He got one bite in on me last second. Look at this guy. He's just spinning. He's just spinning in circles. He's just spinning in circles. And oh, he got me. He got me. He is mean. He is vicious. Boom. Take that. Take that, shark. Take that. Oh, he's still fighting. And oh, I took him out. Boom. Took both those guys out. But wow, guys, this place is really, really nice. Wow, I love this place. This could be my bedroom. Wow, this is a really, really nice bedroom. I wonder what this guy has in his closets. Oh my God, he has a wooden pickaxe. He has a golden helmet with leather armor and then a diamond boots. Who does that? Who gets diamond boots? You know, I'm going to take these. Take them. What's inside this? A stone pickaxe? That's actually pretty good. I'm going to take that as well. Let's see what's inside this. Nothing's inside that. He got a bucket? Why would he need a bucket? Don't tell me he does that in a bucket. No, no, no. I don't want that bucket. I do not want that bucket. And there's nothing inside that. Wow, guys. I really love this bedroom, though. I really do love this bedroom, and I really love this bed. This is a really, really nice bed. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of this place, though. Let's see what this is. And oh my God, another bedroom with a gigantic television. I would definitely make this my bedroom. This would definitely be my bedroom, and then that would be my guest bedroom. But wow, I absolutely love this bedroom, especially the humongous television. I don't like that there's sharks, though, right outside the house looking in at me. I don't know if I could go to sleep with sharks looking at me, guys. I just don't know. But wow, this is an absolutely amazing kitchen. Whoa! Did somebody really leave a cake unintended? I'm going to have to eat this, guys. What? I can't eat it? I can't eat it because I'm not hungry. This makes me so mad, guys. So mad. But let's go ahead and see what's inside these cabinets. And whoa, they got cooked chicken. I'm going to go ahead and take that. I'm going to leave them with all the rest of that stuff. Let's see what's inside this. A trident. I'm going to need this, guys, to take out some sharks. Let's go ahead and see what's in this. Some bread and pufferfish. Are they having pufferfish sandwiches? That's just nasty. That's just so wrong and so nasty. I cannot believe that. Let's see what's inside this one. Oh my cookies. Wow. They have a ton of cookies, guys. Wow, that is amazing. Let's see what's inside this one. Potatoes. Baked potatoes. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Baked potatoes. And oh my god, another cake, but I can't eat it because I've already ate. This makes me so mad, guys. So mad. Let's see what's out here. Oh my god, this must be their bathroom. This must be their toilet. Talk about going green. Talk about going green. Look at this. That seems like it would hurt. That seems like it would hurt if you sat on it. I'm not even going to lie. You know what? I'm going to help them out. I'll just chop it down because that would really hurt. But right here's their shower. This is actually a pretty nice shower. I actually really do love this shower. And then this must be the sink where they wash their hands and they wash their face. And they probably wash off a lot of other things, but we won't talk about it. Let's go ahead and see what this is. Whoa! This must be where they like come to swim. Wow, I really love this. I really love swimming under the ocean. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool, swimming under the ocean. But you know what, guys? I'm not going to be a scaredy cat any longer and just stay inside this beautiful underwater house. I'm going to go out there with my trident and take out some sharks. So let's go ahead and do this thing. Where are they at? Where are they at? Right, there's one. I'm taking him down. I am taking him down. He's going to go back to his mommy shark and to his daddy shark, and he's going to cry about what I did to him. Boom, take that, shark. Oh my god, I missed. I missed with my trident. Do I have to go get that now? You know what? I'm just going to take him out. I'm going to take him out with a diamond sword. That's right, unless I can get my trident. I don't know where it went. I totally lost that. I totally lost that trident. Oh my god, he's really swimming away from me. You're such a scaredy cat. You're such a scaredy cat. You are such a scaredy cat. And whoa, he is dealing a lot of damage. And look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. You know what? I'm going to take your tooth out and then I'm going to tie it around a rope and I'm going to wear it as a necklace. Oh, snap. I just took him out. I just took him out in front of all of his shark friends. That's right. Any other shark want any of me? I don't think they do. I don't think they do. And if they do, they surely ain't coming over to get some of me. You want some of me? That's what I thought. Oh, snap. What's happening? Oh, snap. What is happening? I think I'm drowning. I think I am drowning. I cannot believe that. I got so caught up in taking out sharks. You know what? I got to drink these potions. I got to drink these potions. And then I'm going to take out some more sharks, guys. I'm going to take out that shark. He's mine. He is all mine. Or do you want to be mine? Which one of you guys want to be mine? You know what? You're getting it because you're closer. So I'm going to take you out. You know what? I could actually take out two of you guys at once. That's right. I could if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I just want to take out one. So boom, take that, shark. Boom, take that. And whoa, he must have farted because there's a lot of bubbles, guys. That is way, way too many bubbles. That's not right. That is not right at all, guys. That is not right at all. But wow, I really love that house right there, guys. That is a really, really nice house. You know what? I'm actually going to go back inside. I'm going to go back inside that house, and that is where I'm going to spend the rest of my life. Until a shark breaks into my bedroom and eats me. That's probably what's going to happen. Somewhere down the line, a shark is going to break into my bedroom and is just going to eat me. And then I'm going to have to wait a couple days for him to let me out. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.